Hello guys, with Bitcoin reaching 108k, a new all-time high, and now with the correction what pushed back the price around 92k, 95k, we ask ourselves what will happen in the near future. And with all coins losing over 40%, some of them. Trying to understand the idea and how the price movement will be in the next couple of days and months, we should understand that in this moment Bitcoin suffered a normal correction. What we were already speaking about that, and it seemed that from 108, what was the all-time high now, this correction to 93k in this moment, it's, let's say so, just a normally one, yes. But the very important thing is that we have some resistance point around 92k and also around 90k, yeah. If BTC would still hold around over this 90k, yes, also in January, that we expect that BTC will push back up. But if the BTC will not hold this line here around 92k, yes, some of the people say 92, some of the people say 90, but in this area, if BTC will not hold in this area, then it's quite possible that we will have, let's say so, a bigger correction. But it's very important what happening. If the BTC will success to hold the line, we expect that the price will push again up. But if the BTC will not hold the line and let's say so will broke again over the line, we expect that the price to go somewhere around 76, 75k, and that's let's say so this is the worst scenario. Another very important metrics what we will speak about today, it's about seasonality, and we have with the orange the 2070 cycle and with the green 2021 cycle. What is quite interesting that we have some similar stuff exactly now around 250 days when we expect to have a correction. This start around 240 days after the halving, and this happening somewhere in the middle of December, and exactly it was then the moment when we start having this crash. And you see that's happening also in other cycles, and we believe that this, let's say so, crash is not even reach the bottom, and that's why we believe that the beginning of the January should, let's say so, end this crash, and then like it was also in the previous cycles, and then we think about that the price should let's say so start going up. But for the moment we are, let's say so, still searching the bottom. Looking back on the price history of January, we can see then in the post-halving years 2017 and 2021, even if you have some correction in the end of the month, January it was not so let's say so worst month. We can see that 2016 December was a really strong month, and then we have some pump and some correction in 2017, and in 2020 we have again a strong December, and January, even if was some crash the beginning of the month, in the end January it's still let's say so a good month, and then we have Q1 which is really let's say so good. Then now we can see after very strong November, December, it was, let's say so, a closing, let's say so a little bit down, but it seems that January should have some price movement. But even if we have some correction, this is what we expect, that this bottom should be somewhere in January, maybe in the first part of the January. In the end of the month, we also still believe that January will not be so worst. But if we let's say so choose smart, the moment we can buy, let's say so, the last good opportunity to go in the market. Another very important graphic, it's about the Ethereum price movement, and we can see that in the post-halving years, Ethereum have an amazing Q1 with some huge return, and this is also what we expect to happening in 2025. And we can see that 2017 it was a huge, let's say so, Q1 2021 also, and this is what we also expect in 2025. We expect that Ethereum to have a very strong Q1, and this can mark the beginning of the altcoin season. Follow us for more. Don't forget to subscribe, and before to invest in something, make your own research and choose carefully.